So it's a relaxing rainy afternoon, and I want to show you guys our Airbnb today. And we've been staying here for 4 days now, so 3 nights. Mandy and I were living on that other island for a long time, and we just wanted to relax a little bit before we have to leave. So we got this place for really cheap, 30 bucks. And it comes with a free guard cat, this guy right here. And I was going to give you a quick tour. It's a really cool place. It's on a palm tree plantation. So there's all these palm trees everywhere. There's a lake right there. And it's just a really cool and great value Airbnb. Oh. Come on, kitty, over here.
I know, buddy.
You want to give us a quick tour?
Yeah, let's do a quick tour without Kitty.
Oh, but I like kitty.
Oh, he'll come in. Okay, so as you saw out there, it's kind of more the eating area. I like that out here. I mean, it's always a great temperature, so eating outside's fun. This is the main living area. We kind of treated this area as kind of the chill, relax area. This is the bed. Got a nice little sitting nook right here too.
They had books here, which is awesome because this place it's off the beaten path, and it's just a great place to relax, read a book for a couple days.
Yeah, no TV, which was awesome.
Yeah,
so that was really nice.
But there's Wi-Fi.
There is Wi-Fi, yeah. So yeah, lots of sitting area, which is what I like. Lots of just like nice places to lounge. We've got a really nice, huge closet. Really nice.
Yeah,
it's a good place just to store all of our stuff.
Our big old backpacks we have packed because we are flying to Malaysia tonight.
Yeah. Great bathroom. I love the concrete in here. Just a regular toilet, sink, rain.
Hot water heater.
Yeah. Really nice. And then the last little room is this kitchen. You got everything you need. You got a sink. Got the fridge. There's a nice little stove that you can hook up and so you can cook food. Yeah, it's a great little place just to stay.
So another nice thing about this place is all the outlets are the universal ones. So you don't need some fancy adapter because it's already got the adapter built in there. So you can put US ones in or any country. My favorite part? Oh, wait, favorite part for sure. Look, air conditioner, and a fan. And these are strong air conditioners. This place will cool down fast.
Yeah, my favorite part was the bed, and just every time you woke up,
Yeah.
you have that pretty little water area right there and all the nice palm trees.
Yeah.
I thought, great view.
And this place came with free breakfast. So we'd get breakfast in the morning. Then we just asked them what time they'd come. What time we wanted breakfast, and they'd bring us breakfast. It was great. They really helped us get great deals on the local tourist stuff. Yeah. It's a little far away from touristy stuff, but we got nice private boats for a great value. So that right there is the famous rock that James Bond made very, very famous. So now it's a big tourist trap. But it's still pretty. Sleeps 3 guests. It's got 1 queen-size bed, 1 single bed, shower, refrigerator, stove, lots of living area, lots of places to eat, and it has a cat. Actually, it has some dogs too, and they're all really nice dogs and cats. And it's great access to the national park. And I'll write the name because I don't remember the name.